What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Solana update. It really has become a daily update. We'll talk about Solana, we'll talk about the technicals mainly. The technicals have been well, pretty stable over the last 2-3 days. And also the possibility of still getting a bullish breakout. So basically I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. And we will take a look at some statistics about Solana again, but I'll start with the technicals because I think most of you are interested in the technicals. And therefore people who really love Solana and like to know more about how the network is doing, stick around. But yeah, I mean, right now the volume is still amazing compared to the market cap. It has dropped down a little bit, but that's not a problem. That usually happens. We were very bullish and then you consolidate and the volume drops down, and that's just normal. And that it's still relatively high is a good thing. Now the thing is that like right now we're kind of stuck between 14.25 as a resistance level and this level between 13 and 12.5 as a support. And as you can see, $13 has been holding. We haven't even reached 12.5 yet, even though arguably that's a stronger support level with all of those EMAs, the 382 FIB. So altogether, I mean, it's still looking very bullish for Solana, I'd say. The thing though is that there are some bigger fundamental things going on around the market which are a little bit bearish for crypto, and therefore that could also be some harm for Solana. And the main thing is monetary policy. All right, there were some reports by the Federal Reserve that the monetary policy was not going to change, so that the interest rates remain high, which is bearish for crypto. It's bearish for risk on assets. And it's bearish therefore for Solana. So for right now, I still think that this is the most likely scenario, just given the strength of this support level under us and given the way we have reacted to it right now. I mean, for example, if you take a look at the dollar strength index, the DXY right now, what you can see is that it has gone up since today quite a bit. And still we're holding our levels. Bitcoin is holding its levels as well. So I do think that we will drop back down to 12.5. But I think we can hold that hold that support level, and I think we can consolidate, especially in the weekend, but also next week. And then next week, Thursday, we'll get the inflation rate, and if that's lower than expected, we can still break out. I do think we would need either institutions buying more Solana or bullish news like that. Otherwise, I think breaking through 14.25 is impossible. I don't think the technicals on itself for Solana can provide us with a bullish breakout like that, but there are enough fundamentals that could provide us with a move like that. And with institutions buying, what I mean is that, for example, throughout like this move that was institutional bought, this move was probably or this one was probably institutions buying. So if that happens again, it's hard to predict, but if that happens, we can definitely break out. All right, so it's still, I would say it's still looking relatively bullish for Solana, even though there are some things going around that are not that great. Now, if we take a look at Solana statistically, I actually haven't checked this out, so I wanted to be surprised as well. If you want to check that out, just go to gokustats.xyz. It's a great website, to be honest. There you can also you can just click on a chain you would like to analyze. And as you can see, the daily active addresses have actually become pretty well. This is the last 6 months. As you can see, the daily active addresses have gone up quite a bit ever since everything would happen with Bonk and stuff. The daily transactions have been in some sort of an uptrend as well since the fall of FTX, and the total value locked, it has still fallen a lot. All right, it has recovered a little bit, but sometimes it just recovers. So yeah, it's it's doing fairly well, I would say. It's doing fairly well. Daily NFT traders going up, daily NFT volumes going up. So altogether, I would still argue that Solana, the blockchain, and Sol, the coin, therefore, is still undervalued. But that's my take, obviously, and this is my full overview of Solana for today. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.